Now, are you sure of who's who?
Hello. Hi.
Are you?
Come up.
I guess it doesn't matter if you've got both of them.
Do you want to step up? Oh, pretty girl. Oh, you are so beautiful today. Let's come out. Let's come out and get some afternoon food.
Alright.
Something to eat?
Secretly very, very worried.
Oh, Ginger.
Shani's pretty little face.
Come and get something to eat, darling. You hungry? You hungry? Something to
I
eat?
know, Fred.
Want something to eat? What about you, Shani? Want something to eat, darling? Step up. Step up. No? You're not hungry? You both just want to say hello. Do you want to say hello? Who wants a kiss? Anybody? There you go, Ginger. Do you want a kiss?
Don't let my worries concern you. It's all good.
Good girl. You're such a good girl. What do you want me to do, eh? Put my hand away?
Yeah,
Is that all you want?
I want.
Meow, meow.
Who said that?
That's Ginger.
And that's so Ginger's closest to me.
Yep. And
Shani's
so
chewing on
the
you.
other
Is she
side.
being gentle?
Yep, very gentle.
Down you go. I think she's testing the waters to see if she can go down. If you give her your arm, we'll give her some.
Come down a bit.
That's what I was thinking.
Or is it just you like my cardigan?
Can you just get your face out of the way? I know you can't, but I wish there was an invisible shield between you.
Oh,
I'm worried about my vibe wrecking this.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hey, Shani girl. You sure you're not hungry? Do you want something to eat? There you go.
Good girl, Shani.
Good girl.
You're a good girl,
There's
Shani.
a good girl. Now, Ginger, do you want something to eat? Something to
Just
eat?
so you know. You were with me all the time, weren't you, Fred? Hey?
No, you just want to sit and talk? Hey, you've been beautiful, aren't you, Ginger girl? You're such a good girl. Aren't you such a good girl? You are. You like a scarf. You like a scarf, don't you? Who's your good girl?
Oh, settle yourself,
I
Fred.
think she's seen meow meow. Oh, you are hungry. There you go, step up. Step up, good girl. Hey, you want to eat something? I'm going to eat that bit of carrot. How's that delicious bit of pear? Is that a nice bit of pear, Shani? Do you like your pear? Do you like your pear? You do, don't you? You didn't make that look like you want to come back up? Or are you just enjoying your pear?
That's why I'm just stepping back. I don't want to wreck it. Calm yourself, Fred. I know what you're doing back there.
You alright there, girl?
Hello, Ginger, my
Hello,
sweetheart.
good girl. Hello, good girl. Hello, good girl. You are a good girl. Oh, you are. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl, you are. Everybody loves a scarf. Everybody loves a scarf. You're a pretty girl.
Ginger's behaving a little bit weird. Look at Miss.
Yeah. Suddenly cuddly.
Yeah.
Oh, Shani girl. Shani girl.
What's with this, Ginger?
Shani.
I know what's with you, Fred. I know exactly what you're doing back there.
He's a good girl.
What's your situation, Ginger?
He's a pretty girl. Oh, kisses. 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 Oh, kisses.
Oh, sorry, sweetheart.
Kisses. Oh, kisses for you. Kisses for you. Fluffy? She's fluffy. She's a fluffy girl. What a beautiful girl.
I'm very impressed. Jealous. pissed off. Call it what you want. You're a good girl, Shani.
Ginger's come in for a big cuddle with Dad, though.
I know. I'll take it. Hey?
You want to know Dad still loves you, do you?
Since when are you second hand?
Hey, pretty
Hey?
girl. You're so pretty. You're a good girl. You are such a good girl. You are such a good girl.
I know. You did that to me last week. Oh, oh, gentle with me.
Oh, you're a good girl, aren't you? You are such a good girl. You're a gorgeous girl. You're so pretty. You are so pretty. Look at
Alright,
you,
I'm going to
pretty
end this
blue.
just out of sheer jealousy.
Okay.